Hello and welcome back to Hackathon Entertainment TV. I'm Mr. Hackathon. I bring you the story behind every hack. On this channel, what we occasionally do are tutorials specifically using no code to create your hacks at hackathons. In this particular tutorial, what we're going to do is create a Chrome extension without coding using a tool called Builder. So as you can see, Builder is a no-code platform where you can create SaaS tools, internal apps, but also Chrome extensions, which is what we'll be using it for. The pricing plan is fairly simple and fairly affordable, at least competitive with other no-code tools. We'll give it a chance to load right here. So as you can see, there is a free version where it is limited. You have £10 a month. And if you actually want to create Chrome extensions and export the code, it's £30 a month, which is still competitive with many other tools. What we actually have, though, is a 30-day free trial where you do have access to the Pro version or a free trial of the Pro version. So you can get started with your Chrome extension today without paying. What we're going to do is jump over to the studio. So you need to create an account. Once you create an account, you'll be brought to a page like this where you can create a new project. I'm going to create a new project. I'm going to call it Hello, Mr. Hackathon. We're going to jump over here. I kind of skipped over the part where I wanted to show you my actual Chrome extension, or the Chrome extension we'll be getting. So my Chrome extension is here. It does, when you click, it just opens Hello No Code here. It's a very, very simple Chrome extension. It's not writing data to a database. It's not reading data from a database. Right now, it's just pulling up Hello No Code. So we're going to do something like that. As this is loading, I do like Builder. There are some challenges I have with the performance, but overall, I think it's a very, very good platform. I think it's affordable. I think the team is amazing and the founder is amazing. Always very responsive. That is a big deal for me when choosing no code tools. To get started, I am going to select a template and manipulate a template. So what I'm actually going to do is select this and work from this template. But as you can see, the way you would build a web page is visually like this. On the left panel, you do actually have a element tree. And you can add flows, which adds different actions when things happen. Very, very effective for automations. But on this left, we have the element tree. As you can see, we can edit page headers, URL page routes. You can edit the CSS, fonts, the media library. You can also collect data. Again, very, very powerful. But for this tutorial, we are going to keep it simple and remove a lot of this. So all I do is hover over that particular section and just remove it. If I wanted to add something again, all I have to do is go back to element and I can add a page section. There's other elements I can add where it's just drag and drop. I can add a block. Where we have a whole block that I can add. That's a predefined block. I can also add a pattern, which is almost like templates other people have made, like specific templates other people have made. But again, we won't need this for this particular tutorial. All we need to do now is just remove a lot of this extra stuff. I actually might keep this one. I removed the footer and I removed the hero. I'm going to remove this button. And so this is what we have now. And I'm going to change this text to say, hello, Mr. Hackathon. I'm going to keep this the same color font and the same color background, but to change it, all I would have to do is go to the primary style class, and I can change everything here. So as you can see, we have background, we have the background color here. I could add the background, the image, and add different things to the background to change it really, really easily. I could change the size, the spacing. All these different elements are very, very easy to change and manipulate. What I want to do next is preview this. I need to select a page that is the home page, and it's called a SaaS marketing homepage, but so let's just change this for now. Rather than calling this page, there's homepage SaaS marketing homepage, let's call it Mr. Hackathon Chrome extension. We're going to preview this. We're going to turn Mr. Hackathon Chrome extension into the homepage. We're going to take a look at this and just give it a quick preview. As you can see, we have the Mr. Hackathon homepage. And what we want to do next is just double checking. We want to publish this, and we want to publish deployment. From deployment to production, we want to add a builder subdomain. I'm going to call it Mr. Hackathon Chrome extension. I'm going to verify this, and this subdomain is available, so I'm just going to click continue and then click publish. Then I'm going to check if this subdomain is, or this thing I just published is working. Just giving it a minute to load. Okay, it looks like it's working. Yeah, so it's working fine. What we're going to do next is we're going to export this as a zip file so we can upload it to the Google Chrome Marketplace. So to do that, we want to click on page body. We want to scroll down, and we want to export Chrome extension. Now we're going to give it a name, Mr. We have here Mr. Hackathon Chrome extension. And the short name is going to be Mr. Hackathon. I don't believe the short name is optional. I believe you do have to have a short name. I'm going to say my first builder Chrome extension. Now the homepage URL is a URL for your marketing. So I believe you have to format it like this. And that's just your marketing URL, but your main page URL is the actual URL for your publish page. So if we go back, what we clicked publish, production, we want this HTTPS Mr. Hackathon Chrome extension.builder. So if I just want to copy this, and I'm going to go back to my export, and that's my main page URL. I do have to upload an image, but before I do that, I'm going to style this. I'm going to turn it into a right panel Chrome extension. I'm going to leave the same width. The background, I want the same color as this. So I'm not sure what color this is. So let's find out what color this is. Okay, I'm gonna grab this, and then we're gonna go back. I don't want no border. The Z index is fine. Okay, we need a logo. So I'm gonna find my logo. I really should have it in my files, but I just cleaned my desktop. So, well, I cleaned most of it. So what we're going to do is go type in Hackathon Entertainment. We are going to click images. My logo should sign up or show up. So I'm gonna and then what we want to do is go back. We want to upload this file. We can drag and drop. So I've uploaded my file and now I'm ready. I export the Chrome extension. As you can see, it's exported here. I do want to open it. So it's open right here. What I'm going to do next is I am going to this URL. You want to go to this URL, Chrome extensions URL, and it's going to bring up all your extensions if you have any. We're going to get rid of this notification. So yeah, as you can see, I have my extensions here. I just clicked on the notification. As you can see, I have my extensions here. If I click on this jigsaw puzzle, you can see I actually have more extensions that I have it pinned to the taskbar. But what we want to do next is load unpacked. We want to find our extension and we want to click select. So you can see this extension here. And then what I'm going to do is unpin my Hello No Code extension and then pin what here is here now, Mr. Hackathon Chrome extension. And what I should see when I go to another tab, so I go back to Twitter, when I click on this, my Chrome extension should show up. Hello No Code. That's not right. Did I click on the... I don't think I uploaded the right extension. So we're going to remove this. We're actually going to remove this too. We're going to load unpacked. Okay. So what I want to do is go to my downloads. Let's look at this carefully. I did think I clicked on Hello Mr. Hackathon Chrome extension, but we're going to click on that again. And then we're going to pin this. I'm not quite sure what that issue is, but what we're actually going to try and do is open a new window. And hopefully when I open a new window, click this. Well, I guess I have to be on some kind of page. And I click this, hopefully. Yeah. So we can see my Chrome extension appear. And we can see, hello, Mr. Hackathon. So I probably had to refresh my cookies. but we can see, hello, Mr. Hackathon, and this is my Chrome extension. Now, we can do a lot more with this. We can get it to read data, write data, create user accounts. But this is the main premise of Chrome extensions using Builder. To actually publish this in the Chrome Store, you have to have a Chrome Store developer account, which is only £5. It's a very straightforward process. Maybe I'll do another video about that at a later date. Let me know what you think. What do you think of Builder? What do you think of creating Chrome extensions using Builder? And is this a feature you love? Is this something you want to see more of in the no-code space? Let me know.